What do you think fufu means?
Oh, go ahead. I would want to know because I don't want to say something which I am.
No, I mean, had you been guessing, I think you would have guessed it right. So fufu basically, so when people smoke, they call it fufu.
Okay, so I am not part. I don't know.
Funny. Now this is very interesting. Johnny Johnny though has become a very famous ritual in fufu tattoos. तो उसमें क्या होता है we do a plank of 3 minutes, and for entire 3 minutes का plank we are singing like crazy freaks. Start with Johnny Johnny Yes Papa the poem, and then Sheila Ki Jawani, then a lot of these kind of songs come up. Hum Hunge. There were people जिन्होंने आज तक कभी running करी नहीं, but they had ran half marathon. Multiple people, not even a couple, multiple people ran 21 kilometers
With a certain disability which has not stopped you, which has only given you more flavor.
when I was young. When I was very young, I think I've been living alone most of my life. I had people, but I was alone.
Like I just read, and you just mentioned a 23-year-old kid with a certain disability which has not stopped you, which has only given you more flavor, and introducing fufu turtles to this part of the region. Tell us how this started. I really want to understand because this concept has been there, creating a run club or creating any club, but there is certain amount of flavor which I've never witnessed in any other club. What is that essence?
There's definitely an essence. I agree with it. Well, I think this thing comes from when I was young. When I was very young, I think I've been living alone most of my life. I had people, but I was alone. I think I couldn't relate with anybody. I couldn't relate with my own parents, with my own siblings. I mean, everybody's nice though. My parents are nice. Everybody's nice. I just couldn't relate with anybody. And it was just me and my books and music. It had been with me since I was a baby. Well, recently found out that those things were actually a part of this particular term called art. And I'm an artist. I found out about myself. This is what I found out about myself. Well, वो सब चीज़ों को टैकल करने के लिए I had come up with the solution of creating communities. Now, Fufu hasn't been my first community. So, bhi, I've created a lot of others. VD was one. Very nice, equally big, beautiful. Again, what was it about? VD was an educational platform. Like Redo. So, ये उन लोगों के लिए था. Again, I was telling you, I was never authentic. Never knew who I was when I was in schools or initial years of my college. 2019, I started college. VD में क्या था? Basically, used to... it was basically a platform where we were connecting people like yourself, founders, mentors, with students like myself. I was just the intermediator, and I would interview them. मैं उनसे सीखता था, मैं आगे students को सिखा देता था. It was a very beautiful community. You had introduced a lot of new things in it and fun points. So VD was there. Then sports came in my life. Sports made me feel something. Sports made me feel significant about myself. Okay, there's something that I can do, and I like doing it. I like pushing myself. And ये दोनों चीज़ों की वजह से I started connecting with people. But this connecting word has a lot of emphasis in my thing. I wanted to connect with people with authenticity. I didn't want it to become somebody who I was not, just to be able to talk to a certain amount of people, just to fit in, So that thing happened. I think ये सब relate करता from this disability, as you mentioned. क्योंकि I was born different. I was treated differently. Either people would... So ऐसा सबके साथ होता है, not just me. If you're different, either they're going to bully you, or they're going to be too kind to you. I have witnessed both. Kindness वाला भी बहुत रहा है और bully वाला भी रहा है. People look at you with a different vision और देखते हैं कि ये तो different है. वो चीज़ रहती है. तो the connection...
So probably I think there is a certain mystery to it that probably we are special, huh?
I'm happily special. This thing happens. तुम तो special हो यार, तुम तो special हो यार. I don't want to be special. I'm okay being the way I am. So this connecting wala point was very much missing. I think आगे जाते जाते, being in college, I made a few communities. Then again, being lost. There came a point when again I didn't knew who I was because I had never been able to basically pursue myself. And that is when I started traveling. निकल गए बाहर छोड़ छाड़ के सब कुछ India, because I hadn't been, blessed enough to had an opportunity to travel a few countries, a lot of other different places. That is when I found out about art and connection and sports at one place. It was a run club called Boca Run Club. It was in Miami. तो उन लोगों के साथ मैंने थोड़ा सा किया. I started helping them with their branding because I was a very good designer, still am. तो उनको मैंने थोड़ा सा help किया. That is where I found out about this concept of running and everything. I never imagined कि I would run myself, because I could not, because of this thing, and I'd never done that before. That is where the concept came from. But the concept is one thing, but you know what used to happen after the runs was something that caught my eyes. कि वो लोग जब बैठकर सब लोग enjoy करते हैं, बैठते हैं, हंसते खेलते हैं, and making friends at the end.
Sense of achievement.
Sense of achievement, sense of connectivity, sense of oneness. ये तीनों चीजें इकट्ठे आ गई वहाँ पर. Blew my mind. Then this is something really nice. And वहाँ पर भी सेम इतने सारे creative लोग मिल रहे हैं, networking is happening, and people are making friends. People are finding partners. That is something that blew my mind. That happened when I went to travel आगे further, was working. And when I came back to Canada, came back to India, यहाँ पर वो चीज़ बिल्कुल ही opposite थी. Within चंडीगढ़, I think लोग मिलना चाहते हैं. लोग बहुत प्यारे हैं यहाँ पे, लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं. But I think जो avenues है मिलने के, वो सबके लिए नहीं बने. For example, clubs. I cannot. मतलब I like it. I like dance music, but I cannot go to clubs. Again, यहाँ पे bars नहीं है. जैसे अभी US में bars में जाकर लोग, you meet people, you network in bars. You don't do it over here. यहाँ पे वो चीज़ नहीं थी. So there was something that was missing. I think we just so since I had already done these things, really किया हमने, बोका किया हमने, then college में और बहुत सारी चीज़ें करी, funny events करे, music से related बहुत कुछ करा. ये सब करने के बाद वो जो कॉन्ग्लोमरेट, एक आइडियल कॉन्ग्लोमरेट था, वो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करके हमने we created Fufu after it, and this became what it is today.
So any relevance to the name? Or it just sounds cute?
It does sounds cute. Well, everybody, this is like the biggest question, and it is the meaning behind Fufu, and I always dodge it, trust me.
Let's try it. Today it's being unfiltered,
Well, yeah, I've always dodged it. Well, I'll tell you, there's a funny story behind it. A very funny story. The Fufu. Okay, what do you think Fufu means?
Oh, go ahead. I would want to know from you. Because I don't want to say something which I am.
No, I mean, had you been guessing, I think you would have guessed it right. So Fufu basically, so when people smoke, they call it Fufu. In fact.
Okay, so I'm not part. I don't know.
Neither do I. But you know what happened was, when I was traveling back in Canada, I used to work with these two. Oh my God, those people were absolutes. Those two guys, absolute cinema. Easy guys. They used to own this bar, and they used to own a sports car. And that bar, और वो वसूली के around हम लोग रहते थे पूरा दिन. And I used to work with them, was helping them with their branding and everything. And initially those guys were friends, and at the end I was doing business with them, Canada में. वो लोग, उन्होंने बस मुझे पूरा दिन यही बोलना है, शिवी, they used to call me शिवी फूफू, चलिए फूफू. That word was funny, but at the same time very cute, catchy, and fun word to me. And the way they used to say it, I mean, it would just make me smile, बहुत सही था. So those people just gave me this term, fufu. And my generation, everybody relates with it in a funny manner, even if they smoke or not. I mean, they just relate with it. And my intention has never been to promote it, but since I'm a creative, I knew how to turn it in a certain way. तो वो मेरे दिमाग में था, sitting one night, called Arush ki, so when I came back from Canada, I used to go to the lake every Sunday to run. Me, Arush, my friend probably, and Anish, हम चारों लोग ना कॉलेज में इकट्ठे थे. तो used to go to Sukhna Lake every Sunday, चारों ने जाना, बहुत fun करना. First day, Arush, imagine we were running that day, and imagine हमारे पीछे 100 लोग और दौड़ रहे हैं चंडीगढ़ में. आइडिया कुछ है कि क्या करा जाए. मैं क्या कोई बात नहीं करते हैं थोड़ा सा. then a couple days पास में आरुष को कॉल किया, रात को बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेशन हुई, आरुष मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है कि कुछ करना है. वो मेरा ना वो हर साल आता है एक फेज कि आई गेट बोर्ड from the things that I'm doing, and then मुझे कुछ नया करना होता है. तो वो सेम था. I called Arush, I want to do something, what should I do? करते. तो that night I designed Fufu Turtle. Just because I couldn't sleep and come up with this idea. No intention of making it big, just wanted like 10 more people with us. Had zero intention of making anything out of it. Still don't have, but we created a name. I designed the creative direction, the whole concept behind it, and we had chosen a date back then, teen weeks ke aage ki, with 3 weeks from today, and we just planned our first run. That's how it became real, you know. The Fufu Turtles, the two turtles joined with is from the story of Turtle and Rabbit, the race.
Oh yeah.
So the symphony, I mean, the whole thing became a very creative symphony with sports, turtles, and a very catchy phrase, which I have never revealed before, but now I have. That's how it came like.
You know what I was honestly thinking? I was under the impression that probably I have missed some cartoon or somewhere where the turtle's name is Fufu. This was my wild thought.
Okay.
But I never knew Fufu means. Yeah, now I know. Yeah.
No, actually, that's you know what. So जब भी हम so how I used to basically. I mean, if anybody would ask, na, this is how I used to dodge it. I mean, I would ask the other person, what do you think Fufu is actually? But like, Fufu, there was a cartoon. I don't know where it came from. Honestly, वो खुद ही choose करेगा. Okay, Fufu, yeah, Fufu was cartoon. Fufu is like, we, you know, दौड़ने के बाद like, and I got like 20 options from 20 different people. मैं सबको ही कहता रहा, yeah, you are right.
Not the interval story. This is. These rounds have already taken me in Canada.
Yeah, but yeah, there you go. You know the real thing now.
So what was the entire concept about? Okay, you got the branding, crisp thing done. It is your A game, and you wanted people to, you wanted to run. You wanted people to be there. So, but how? Obviously, I understand you never imagined that this will grow big, and abhi bhi shayad probably you're just sitting on a pile which you don't know where it can lead to, right? But what was the entire concept about? How could you imagine this to be different than any other run club?
Okay. So I think whenever I brand out something, I've done a lot of hundreds of projects in terms of brandings, worked with some good names as well in India, as well as outside of India. Well, that's because I have a very different way of imagining things. That's how I look at myself. I never knew I could be a designer, to be honest. I still don't know how to use softwares बहुत अच्छे से, to be honest. मेरे को इतने बहुत ज़्यादा crazy softwares नहीं चलाता. मेरे को drawing करनी बिल्कुल नहीं आती. बहुत average drawing करता. But I think the kind of meaning that I can give to a particular thing, वो imagination, the kind of imagination that I have, the wild imagination that I have is something that differentiates me from the entire world, I'd say. So while naming Fufu Turtles, branding it out, what I had in my mind was to create meaningful thing. So क्या है ना, run club, we कहता है, I think you're an entrepreneur yourself, you see कि every year there is a wave. एक idea की एक wave आती है, people who ride it make something out of it, and then with that wave dies. Sometimes the idea dies with it as well, and sometimes the people who evolve with it, they keep on subfigure and they create their own. Oh, ये भी एक wave थी. I knew ये wave जाएगी, एक दिन नीचे जाएगी. So Run Club, like, I don't know, जब मैंने शुरू करा था, हमारा शायद 4th था इंडिया में, 5th होगा ज़्यादा से, I don't know, it was not many. तब हम लोग एक टाइम पे, I never, ऐसे मैंने उसको कैरेक्टराइज नहीं करा, बट people used to say कि हमारा second biggest है, third biggest है, ऐसा कुछ था उस टाइम पे. I never saw it like that. But अभी बहुत सारे बन चुके हैं, and एक दिन I think, and this will happen, rule of nature, ये सब ऐसे जाएंगे. But मुझे था कि I wanted to curate something. I knew I had to write that way, but I wanted to curate something that could evolve into something very meaningful and very beautiful at the same time. So तभी I never attached the one word run club with it. इसको अकेला फूफू टर्टल्स ही रखा. अभी फूफू टर्टल्स, then that character, the turtle logo is very cute. Again, it comes in between. Now, the idea that I had behind it कि आगे जाके maybe like after a year, this could be evolved into a very different concept related to fitness and wellness at the same time. क्योंकि लोग अपनी फिटनेस पे ध्यान देते ही नहीं है, बहुत कम होता है. एंड एट द सेम टाइम कम्युनिटी एज वेल. बहुत कम लोग हैं यहाँ पर जो अपनी कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं या बाहर निकल पा रहे हैं. दे डोंट रियली हैव द रीजन. बीइंग एन एमसी माई सेल्फ, अ मास्टर ऑफ सेरेमनी myself, it's not difficult for somebody like me to talk to people. But at the same time, अगर मैं एक सिंपल let's say कैफे में जाके किसी से बात करूँ ना, तो रिसीवर को ही वियर्ड लगेगा कि यार ये मेरे से बात क्यों कर रहा है. बट अगर आप फूफू में आते हो ना, तो वो द एनवायरमेंट इज सच कि यू टॉक टू एनीबडी. So being a giver, the receiver will also understand this is the environment where I would want to meet people. I think I want to create that environment. It's not just about a run club for me. It's to create an environment where people can meet other people. People can socialize, create ideas, work on their things, as well as work on themselves at the same time and their wellness. Basically, a conglomerate for wellness, if that's a good word,
So from day one, you created the logo. What was your next step? How to build the community?
Oh, lots of videos. Lots of videos. I found out that this is something that I'm good at. I have done coding. I was good at coding as well, but फिर मेरी internship लगी. तो बहुत early लग गई थी मेरी internship. I got an internship. I was good at it. मैं internship के पहले दिन गया, मुझे इतनी नींद आई ना. First day I slept literally in my office. अगले दिन मैं गया ही नहीं. सेटअप एक ईमेल किया कि मुझे ये डिजीज़ है, मुझे सिर्फ बहाना लगाकर दे नेवर रिप्लाइड, आई नेवर फॉलोड अप. तो एंड ऑफ स्टोरी. और उसके बाद ही मैं डिज़ाइन में चला गया. मुझे कोडिंग उसके बहुत नींद आती है. ऑल्दो आई वाज गुड एट इट, बट इट्स कुडंट डू इट. फिर व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन अगेन?
How did you, like you said you like videos, you started posting videos and to build the community.
सो हमने, क्योंकि आई हैव ऑलरेडी बिल्ड कम्युनिटीज़ पहले, उसमें क्या होता है ना, कम्युनिटीज़ का सबसे बड़ा, आई थिंक कम्युनिटीज़ को बनाने का देयर आर फ्यू पॉइंट्स जो आपको टेक केयर करने हैं. नंबर वन, देयर हैज़ टू बी समबडी पीपल वुड वांट टू लुक अप टू. देयर इज दिस समबडी हु इज सिटिंग, बट दे डोंट वांट टू. एंड दिस इज हाउ आई फील लाइक जो वो टॉप टीयर पर्सन है ना, ही शुडंट हैव ऐसे एक लीडरशिप वाला प्रोड्यूसर ये हमारा राजा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. नॉट इन कम्युनिटीज़, मे बी जब पहले वो सच में राजाज होते थे इन टाउनशिप्स एंड ऐसा, वहाँ पे ये चीज़ काम करती थी. बट नॉट इन कम्युनिटीज़ दैट आर वर्किंग आउट इन टुडेज पीरियड. अब देयर शुड बी समबडी हु पीपल कैन लुक अप टू फॉर देयर ओन बेटरमेंट, फॉर गाइडेंस, फॉर I'd say just for fun, that this person is setting up, वो सुनेगा, बात करेगा, हमारे साथ आ जाएगा, हमारे जोक्स पे हंसेगा, and if we ask for something, he'll just help us out. And that is important. I knew I could be that person. I've done that my whole life. Then there had to be a concept that would make them feel good about themselves. For us, that became fitness, running. How hundreds and thousands of people has started running with us. From zero, जिन्होंने आज तक कभी रनिंग नहीं करी, but now they have done it. They are doing it regularly. हमारे कॉन्सेप्ट था बीच में Project 90 का. We're going to be bringing the second batch as well very soon. But there were people जिन्होंने आज तक कभी रनिंग करी नहीं, but they had ran half marathon. Multiple people, not even a couple, multiple people ran 21 kilometers at the end of those 90-day project. Project 90 was the name. वो 90th day हमारी एक हाफ मैराथन थी. कितने सारे लोग 21 किलोमीटर भागे थे. Beautiful day, emotional day for a lot of people, amazing vibes. I mean, this is commendable. 21 किलोमीटर भागना 90 दिनों की ट्रेनिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. People done that, memories, lot of, and this is an accolade for a lot of people. So we gave them a reason to live their life. Because it became a reason for them to wake up.
Because there is a certain belief when people start running that I will not be able to do it. However, they have been longing to achieve it. So when they are able to understand that they have crossed that milestone, so then that memory remains forever.
You know what I'll tell you, this story मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था, very short one. When मैं पहली बारी, so Lake Stretch is 2.4 kilometers. मैं नहीं भाग पाता था बिल्कुल भी आज से 7 महीने पहले तक. तो I started running with my friends. One day, I used to meditate a lot. So what I did was I sat there for 15 minutes. Took 15 minutes. I prepared myself, meditated. I prepared my mindset कि मुझे आज चाहे मैं गिर जाऊँ ना, मुझे पूरा स्ट्रेच कंप्लीट करना ही करना है. 2.4 किलोमीटर्स वहाँ जाते जाते, and I'm not going to stop. जितना मर्जी it hurts, whatever happens, my foot hurts because when I run too much, my foot starts hurting as well. And whatever happens, I just have to complete it. So it took 15 minutes, meditated for quite some time. कि I have to complete it. Just imagining the finish line session. Like, trust me, when I did it, one of the biggest achievements, like something unlocked. Yo, this is what I can do. This is my potential. And you know, that same day, I went and I came back and did 2 laps basically. I did 4.8 kilometers for the first time in my life. And something just unlocked in my life. And then uske baad main snow marathon 14 kilometer kar raha hoon. Snow marathon, I did that. And then I've ran a lot of other, at a lot of other places as well. Swimming kari bahut zyada. Something just unlocked in me, you know.
So that is that ये जो term है ना unlocked, this is people need to understand, realize that हम अपने potential पे खुद ही doubt कर लेते हैं. And once we cross that, and जैसे वो हुसैन बोल्ट वाला नहीं था, that in a certain period of time, he was the first man to achieve 100-meter race. And then in the next few years, many
Under 10 seconds, right?
could do that.
Because people thought कि हाँ,
Yes. ये एक belief. So I think your club has positioned the community for belief and for networking, which is commendable.
It became a reason recently for them to break out of this cycle and just touch their limits at the point.
So tell me more about your calendar. How does it work? How do you plan the things? Probably call it events. How do you get people collected? How do you communicate with people that this is something that's going to happen? What happens after the run? So that entire concept. So
honestly speaking, there's no particular process to it. We just do. I mean, honestly, Arish and I have been doing this alone. Everything from designing, video editing, to posting, to scheduling, to going there, arranging runs. It's too much work for 2 people. But there has never been an SOP to it. हम लोग अभी fresh out of college, just playing away, doing a lot of things. I'll tell you something very crazy about Arush. Arush is my partner, lovely human being. So हम लोगों का क्या होता है, इस कॉल एक दूसरे को, हाँ भाई कहाँ क्या करना है, इससे सभी क्या करें. Because now we have a lot of volunteers as well. तो क्या होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं से हमें कोई invite आ जाता है. कहीं we already have a few places patched up. कि Sukna is one, 17 is one, Botanical Garden, Rock Garden, Rose Garden. We have these places जहाँ पे हमने already रेकी करके we have already placed our routes and everything. So every week it depends on us and what people are requesting. We keep on putting these polls within the groups. We have around 5 groups and around 6,000 people within those groups. Direct communication with those people.
all within the Tri-City.
Within the Tri-City, 5,000 people on WhatsApp groups. So, and along with that, we have a following of around, I just checked it today, around 14,000. Now we keep on communicating with that as well, putting up stories, videos. And I have a very creative way of communicating. Again, I'm a creative. मैं अपने हिसाब से करता रहूँ because it's fun for me. I put out very nice stories and I ask them to react in a certain way, and we find what they are looking for, and then we try to provide them with that they want. We recently did a cricket series. We did a cafe rave again, which went crazy. And we're planning to do a very, very big run. I'll tell you about that. That's the grand finale, So that's how it's done. हम देखते हैं कि क्या आजकल लोगों को क्या करना है, क्या पसंद है, what are they planning to, what are they looking for. Then we choose out, then we schedule it. हमारा basically पूरे month का locations तो set रहती है भाई. And on Wednesdays or Thursdays, we put out a schedule in the groups. कि इस दिन यहाँ इतने बजे हमको आना है, ऐसे ऐसे होगा. And people start reacting to it. Then there are GD group discussions groups. There are, I think, 5 of them where people start talking to each other. कि मुझे pick कर लेना, carpool कर लेते हैं, कर लेते हैं. People do that, People are making friends, and there have been so many ऐसे miniature groups made out of these groups. People are like hanging out, going out for movies now, and this has been crazy. वो इकट्ठे आते हैं सब लोग, वहाँ पर हैंग आउट करते हैं और अपना पहले ही बात कर लेंगे ग्रुप में, एंड लॉट ऑफ न्यू पीपल. एंड यू नो, इसका सबसे सबसे यूनिक चीज़ पता क्या फूफू के बारे में? पीपल आर रियली नाइस. पीपल आर वेरी काइंड टू ईच अदर. पीपल आर वेरी नाइस टू ईच अदर. वो एक आधा बीच में रहता भी है, फिर उसको हम संभाल लेते हैं अपने वे से, बट पीपल आर एक्सट्रीमली काइंड टूवर्ड्स ईच अदर. बहुत प्यारे लोग हैं. आई थिंक ये जो एनर्जीज एक सेट हो चुकी है, बॉल पार्क एक फिगर सेट हो चुका है, एंड पीपल आर वेरी काइंड टू ईच अदर. लोग एक दूसरे को हेल्प करते हैं. कोई लड़की अगर मैसेज करती है कि यू नो आई नीड अ राइड, पीपल आर वेरी काइंड उसको मैसेज कर मेकिंग एवरीबडी फील सेफ. एंड आई हैव यू नो समटाइम मैं खुद लोगों को पिक कर लेता हूँ रास्ते में से, उठा रहा हूँ, आ रहे हैं, उनको फीलिंग सेफ विद ईच अदर. दैट हैपेंस. एक दो दिन वो डिस्कशन चलती है, एंड ऑन संडेज वी मीट. वी स्टार्ट विद आवर वार्म अप्स इनिशियली. और पहला एक सेट रहता है जब व्हेन आई टॉक विद पीपल, वी लाफ अराउंड, वी जस्ट जोक अराउंड, ऐसे थोड़ी सी बातचीत करते हैं. देन वी स्टार्ट विद अ वेरी हीटिंग वार्म अप सेशन. आरुष डज दैट. Then we do the run. Mostly it's 5 kilometers. Sometimes goes to 10 as well. 5, 7, 10, 3 categories होती है. Beginners does 3, जो पहली बार ही आते हैं. 30% of crowd every time are beginners. First comers. 30% of it. Now I think on average 150 people are joining us regularly every Sunday. Goes towards till 400 as well on special events. So that happens. उसके बाद बहुत एक fun routine होता है cool down का. वो ha हो गया कहते हैं. So though that is one, and after that we have a ritual of Johnny. Now this is very interesting. Johnny though has become a very famous ritual within Fufu Turtles journey. तो उसमें क्या होता है, we do a plank of 3 minutes, and for entire 3 minutes का plank we are singing like crazy freaks. Start with Johnny Yes Papa the poem, and then Sheila Ki Jawani, then a lot of these kind of songs come up. Hum Honge Kamyab, Shin Chan ka theme, Doraemon ka scene.
Just to keep the mind diverted.
Exactly, and people are doing 3 minute का plank down. उसमें तो लगे हुए लोग,
तो लोग टाइम गिन रहे होते हैं.
हाँ, लोग उस पर डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, और लोग खुद यार 3 मिनट का प्लान कर लिया, पता ही नहीं लगा. मुझे हर बार ही कोई कहता कि मैं तो 30 सेकंड्स भी नहीं करता, आज मैंने 1.5 मिनट कर लिया, 2 मिनट कर लिया, एंड आई एम पुशिंग देम, चलो. और उसमें भी क्या होता है ना, जैसे लास्ट में कोई रह जाता है, तो व्हाट हैपेंस इज वो 1-2 लोगों के अराउंड ऐसे 100 लोग इकट्ठे होकर उतना पुश करते हैं, उनको एनर्जीज देते हैं, चलो पॉल यू डोंट हैव टू स्टॉप, नहीं रुकना. आई मीन वो इतना मैजिकल मूवमेंट बन जाता है ना उसके लिए कि वो अपनी लिमिट्स को ब्रेक कर देता है वहाँ पे. फिर पुशअप्स होते हैं. समटाइम्स हम क्या करते हैं, कभी 50 पुशअप्स करते हैं तो सिंक में करवाते हैं. समटाइम्स व्हाट वी डू इज कि डू एज मेनी एज यू कैन. तो लोग करते हैं, 50 तक जाता है. 50 के बाद थोड़े से लोग रह जाते हैं जो 100 तक जाते हैं. फिर 100 के बाद 2-4 रह जाते हैं. देन अगेन वही होता है, ग्रुप साथ में इकट्ठा हो जाता है. कीप पुशिंग, स्क्रीमिंग, शाउटिंग कि डोंट स्टॉप, गो टुवर्ड्स 200. I mean, then that is the moment when people break their limits. That is something that become a memory for those particular people over there. You know, that is the beauty of it. That is the community vibe that we have created. That happens. Then few games. Amit ji, there's this guy, amazing person. Met him at one of our runs. He's been coming since I don't know first few weeks. So initial time se aa raha hai. This dude, Amit ji, what he does is he has bought so many gear, I don't know, plastic balls, cones, and these kind of things. What he does is every week he's coming up with new games, and he arranges all of that stuff वहाँ पर कहीं पर भी हमारी एक्टिविटीज के बाद, makes everybody pay. वो आधा घंटा सबको भगाते हैं, गेम्स खिला रहे हैं, then he himself bring gifts for people, chocolates, actual gifts, toys, some sort of funny toys, bringing that for people. वो खुद ही दे रहे हैं अपनी तरफ से. Such an amazing guy. कभी tickets give away कर रहे हैं, IPO की ticket पर give away करी, वो gifts दे रहे हैं, playing games, having fun, making videos, you know, laughing around, cheering up for each other. Fufu is an experience. This whole thing is not just running. The whole day, that is those 3-4 hours that you spend with us, is an experience. I mean, this is something that you might have never seen before. It's a very beautiful experience. Now that happens. Amit ji वाला sequel होता है. Amit ji का पूरा ग्रुप बन चुका है, 4-5 बच्चों का ना, अब बहुत प्यारे लोग हैं, वो पूरा फन करेंगे. Then what happens is कि we go for a cafe. Now we have a few set cafes जहाँ पर हम लोग जाते हैं. Sometimes वहाँ पर rave होता है, sometimes normal coffee होती है, we talk, sit, network, have fun. अब आजकल क्या होने लगा है? We have a separate group of fufu artists. So people bring their guitars, instruments, everything, and they start jamming over there. That happens. Sometimes we take out the speaker. हम लोग डांस कर रहे हैं, जैम कर रहे हैं, म्यूजिक गा रहे हैं, खेल रहे हैं, स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी हो रही है, पोइट्री हो रही है. सो दोज 4-5 आवर्स वो ऐसे निकल जाते हैं संडे मॉर्निंग के, पता ही नहीं लगता, और लोग इतना एनर्जेटिक फील करते हैं. एंड फॉर देम द होल एक्सपीरियंस कम्स, एंड technically the whole Sunday becomes so much fun that they forget about their normal lives for a certain time period. We just forget about everything, and this becomes something that recharges them for the upcoming week. I think that's the fufu effect that we call.
Have you ever been invited as Fufu Turtle to organize a run?
Sorry, how?
If somebody wants to, probably host a marathon or something like that, and you were supposed to manage that with probably your team, has that happened?
I mean, so there are a lot of plans that are coming up ऐसे करने के लिए. We're trying to do it with corporates, but some countries are happening अभी के लिए. Mostly is about हमारा इतने लोग नहीं है टीम में, तो जितना हो पाता है मैनेज अभी करते हैं, बट इट इज हैपनिंग. रेड बुल अभी जो कल इवेंट हुआ है, रेड बुल इन्वाइटेड मी एज एन MC, वो सब अरेंज कर रही है, और एंड देन वी एंडेड अ कोलैब, क्रिएटिंग अ कोलैबोरेशन बिटवीन फूफू एज वेल एज रेड बुल का जो कल वाला इवेंट. सो as well as for the Spiti Marathon that had happened in Feb, I guess, was there as a runner, as well as I was there as a representative from Red Bull itself, as well as Fufu. तो वहाँ पे भी मैंने MC किया था. But my plan is to actually do this, to curate this Fufu experience, like you said yourself, that I will now, because me hosting it is a very good, it's a very original, authentic essence to it. So I actually want to do it, to basically deliver this Fufu experience as a service for different groups, like yourself said. I think that's what you mean, but not yet.
Really want. I have a certain thought in mind which I would want to share probably offline.
Okay.
Well, I don't want to. I want you to say yes.
Okay.
Exclusive.
Okay.
Of course. Absolutely. One last question. I heard from you that you get bored.
Sorry?
You get bored.
Ah.
Is there something else on your mind if you get bored out of Fufu?
I'm never gonna get bored of Fufu, to be honest. This is beautiful. I used to get bored because I was doing things, not being myself. I think I've never been myself as much as I am myself right now.
Yeah. So this is fulfilling.
This is very fulfilling. This is beautiful. I'm using this term beautiful a lot because that's how I look life. A lot of people say that I was in a meeting with somebody very significant yesterday, last night actually, last evening. They are running these amazing businesses, or a beautiful person, just like yourself. He's an entrepreneur. उन्होंने मेरे को मानिक किस भगवान में believe करते हो आप? I don't know. I am not at all religious, but I've studied about everybody. I love Gurbani. I love Shiva. I love the concept of Krishna. I love Krishna के जो chants होते हैं. तो again नहीं good. I think what is it that you believe in? I think I believe in love. I think I believe in beauty. I think seeing good in things, seeing beauty in things, seeing love in things. I think right now this is what I found out about myself, and majorly I found out that I love art, authenticity, real stories. What's authentic between the layers of a particular thing, So I think abhi when I found out who I am, thoda sa, maybe not bahut zyada, because I'm in that age right now, being a 23-year-old. So Fufu has come out as a result out of it. This is one. Then uske sath I'm running another project. वो भी डिज़ाइन से रिलेटेड है, तो वो काफ़ी ऑथेंटिक है मेरे लिए, वो भी काफ़ी प्यारा है. दैट इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू मी. Not materialistically, but मतलब I enjoy doing that. I like doing that, as well as I'm good at it. इकिगाई है उसमें, इसमें भी इकिगाई है, उसमें भी इकिगाई है. And Then I have a very amazing future plan coming up. But before that, fortunately as well as unfortunately, my partner Arush, he's the one calling right now. My partner Arush, he's been my friend since day one in college. Beautiful person, beautiful person. Uska abhi he's leaving India. He's leaving the team. Not leaving the team, but he's relocating to. He's relocating somewhere else out of India for his future, obviously. So I'm all alone यहाँ पे अभी to manage things. Although I have a community of thousands of people who come up on one call. एक story डालता हूँ 200-400 लोग आ जाते हैं. But this guy has supported me in all of my endeavors. Beautiful. And this is, I think, Fufu बना ही तभी है because of this amazing friendship that we had. That supported me in a lot of things. जहाँ पे वहाँ पे support किया जहाँ पे हमें पता ही नहीं था हम क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं. Now Arush is leaving us and there is this big endeavor that I have to basically do one of the biggest marathons of North India. अभी दिल्ली मैराथन होती है, न्यूयॉर्क मैराथन होती है, चंडीगढ़ में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आई वांट टू क्रिएट फेस्टिवल आउट ऑफ इट. पूरा चंडीगढ़ आ जाए. अभी चंडीगढ़ में पोटेंशियल बहुत ज़्यादा है. A lot of amazing people who want to come out, meet new people, do fun stuff. बट वो अंदर ही अंदर बैठे रहते कि शायद उनके पास एक अच्छा रीज़न नहीं है. That's everything requires a why. I want to become that why to bring them out of their houses, work on themselves and just feel good about it, you know. So we want to, this is a big endeavor that we want to do. We were planning to do it in June, but I couldn't. Now I think it will happen in July or August. And as a very good friend of mine said, ki you just have to think about it, you know. It will definitely happen and believe in yourself. That's what I'm doing. You have to do that.
Absolutely fantastic, Malik, and more power to you. And I truly believe that you have displayed that emotion that, you know, anybody can achieve if you believe.
No, absolutely.
So more power to you. And there is a certain project which I have in mind. It has just kicked in and I'm solidifying the idea. So probably after this podcast, we'll chat more. But thank you for coming and sharing your story. And we look forward to see more and more videos and engagement.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for having. Thank you. And thank you for having this. It's a pleasure. Thank you, guys.